Has the graphic novel betrayed its origins? Literary graphic novels emerged from a subversive zine culture at the end of the 1980s. They received a significant boost when Art Spiegelman's Maus won a Pulitzer Prize in 1992. Nowadays, they're an established feature of the literary landscape. One wonders, however, what they might have lost in the process. Anyone who consumes a lot of graphic novels quickly discovers that on average, A, they're quick reads, and B, they're relatively expensive compared to text-only novels. I'm not complaining about that. Obviously, at their best, they're significant works of art as well as being well-constructed stories. They should be expensive. What I think it entails, however, is that nowadays graphic novels are essentially either coffee table books or they're library books. I first discovered graphic novels in Brighton's Jubilee Library. I could take them home in vastly greater quantities than I could ever have afforded to buy them. In terms of content, a lot of graphic novels still retain something of the zine culture's teen radical vibe, just not in terms of price. Going to a dedicated graphic novel bookshop isn't like going to a zine fair armed with a £10 note and a pocket full of loose change. Let's forget about the future of graphic novels as coffee table books. That's obviously a bit of a betrayal. But their essential connection with libraries might also sound like a bit of a betrayal, because the best graphic novels are innovative, challenging and transgressive, whereas libraries have a reputation for being fusty, rather subdued places full of prominent notices telling you to shush. But I think that's an outdated stereotype of libraries. We tend to forget how radical the notion of public libraries really is, which makes it incredibly easy for the local council to get rid of them, of course, budget restraints. The unique value of the graphic novel is a good reason for preserving and protecting public libraries, and for reconceiving them as radical spaces. What I think I'm calling for here, and I'm not calling for it very loudly because I'm not that kind of person, is a revival of the zine scene with libraries as venues and librarians as the prime drivers, and for graphic novels and graphic novelists to be an integral part of that, and for those novelists to be at least secondary drivers. To answer my original question, has the graphic novel betrayed its origins? I'd have to say no. Well, not yet anyway.